Your products are constantly evolving. Now is the time to access powerful simulation tools that evolve with your needs. Cloud-enabled simulation from 3DEXPERIENCE Works places the world's most powerful abacus analysis tools in your hands, providing accurate, SOLIDWORKS associative, industry-leading analysis to make intelligent decisions faster, flexible and scalable high-performance computing power when you need it, access to multi-scale and multi-physics capabilities to solve with confidence from the small, simple single event to large, complex, multi-events problems. Trusted results and accuracy with industry-proven SIMULIA'ya technology. Traceability to streamline processes, save time looking for the right data, and avoid errors. Real-time collaboration to accelerate the decision process. Your business is not one size fits all. Your analysis tools shouldn't be either. Explore why cloud-enabled simulation from 3DEXPERIENCE Works enables innovation for your business.